Welcome to Mount St. Vincent University Library's online tutorial on Google Scholar. This tutorial will look at the best ways to make use of Google Scholar and will also discuss some drawbacks you should be aware of. If you are working off campus, you can access Google Scholar through the Google Scholar box in the LibGuides section. Start by going to the library's homepage. Click Articles by Subject. The Google Scholar box can be found by clicking on one of the guides arranged by subject. The box is located here. If you are using a mobile device, you might have to scroll further down to see the box. Upon searching, you will be required to log in with a username and password. This could either be your MyMount webmail username and password, or the barcode on your student ID and PIN number, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. The next step is to access your settings. Click on Library Links. Links for Mount St. Vincent University will show up in a list. Make sure that all of them are checked and save these preferences. If the links are not visible, type in Mount St. Vincent University or MSVU at the top. Google Scholar will now be able to direct you towards resources available through MSVU. These steps will maximize your chances of getting access to all the articles that the Mount Library subscribes to. Google Scholar has a number of features that make it a very powerful tool for finding academic materials. The first feature is the single search bar where you can type in any keyword, subject, author, or title relevant to your topic. Fewer terms in the search bar will give you a wider range of results, and more terms will give you narrower, more focused results. On our results page, we can also narrow our results by selecting the type of materials we want. We can also select a cutoff date so that we only see articles that were published after a particular year. And finally, we can choose whether we want citations to appear in our results. The results page shows us the title of the article, the author, the year it was published, which publisher Google Scholar has retrieved it from, and there is also a short summary of the document taken from the text. Below that are some of the most important features of Google Scholar. Cited by tells us how many other academic sources have cited that article. If we click on that link, it will display all of those articles as a new search. Clicking on Related Articles will show a list of articles that are similar to that article based on keywords, subject, title, citations, and author. All versions will display every version of that article that Google can find. This may be different formats of the article, or the article may have been revised over time. If you have access to an article, you will either see something that says PDF or HTML from the name of a publisher or institution. You may also see something that says Check Full Text at MSVU. Clicking the PDF option will then open the article on your computer using a PDF viewer. Clicking Check Full Text at MSVU will bring you to a page that shows you different ways you can retrieve the article through MSVU's resources. This will be most helpful when the PDF option is not available, but also allows you to connect to other databases such as EBSCO, where you might find related articles or produce a citation or reference. Should the item not be available from the Mount Library, you can start the document delivery process using the Check Full Text at MSVU link. Don't pay for articles. If a site tries to charge you, check the Check Full Text at MSVU link first to see if it is available to you through document delivery. When ranking articles, Google Scholar puts more emphasis on the number of citations an article has over the publication date. As a result, popular articles that may be out of date will appear higher in your results. This is especially important in fields that move quickly, such as computer science, medicine, law, and business, but it is something for all users to be aware of. For example, if I typed in the word recession, many articles that appear on the first page are from the last century, even though there have been 2 recessions since then. This problem can be fixed by choosing a custom date range. And as with any other information source, be careful when you're using Google Scholar and think critically about your results. And remember that Google Scholar is only one way to find the articles that are accessible to you. You can consult the subject guides on the library's website to find other resources. You can also talk to one of our reference librarians either in person or online using the live chat feature on the library website. All in all, Google Scholar is a fast, user-friendly way to find academic resources for your research. For more on Google Scholar, watch our tutorial on Google Scholar's additional features.